Hey there friends, today I'll show you how to create and get a donation button in Please Donut. So let's go to Please Donut and click the stand button. Here we need to check out the tutorial. Click yes and copy this link. Double click it with the left mouse button, press Ctrl plus C, paste it in your browser, log into your account and name this game pass. Click Create Pass, go into it, click Sales, then click Enable Sales. Enter the amount of Robux you want here and click Save Changes. Now we can see it's for sale. Next, go back to Roblox, click and climb and accept again. And here's our pass. That's all. This was to hit like and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you all a good life and good luck. See you later.